Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am going to start in the name of Almighty Allah, who is most merciful. Guys, today I am going to share with you how you can remove login password on Windows 11. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first come down and press on Start button, then type on search bar settings. As soon as you get the settings icon, press on it. Then you will get this interface here. You have to find out a option called accounts. Click on it. Then you have to find out here sign in option. Press on sign in option. Then you will be taken to this interface, and here what we have to do is find out a option called password. Expand it. Then this sense option will appear in front of you, and click on it. Then you will get this pop-up interface, and here this says to enter your current password. So I'm gonna enter my current password. Then click on next. You will get these three empty fields, and where this says to enter new password and confirm password and password hint. So among these three empty fields, you have to leave these two empty fields as empty as it is. Just type on the 3 number fields no password. Then click on next, and then click on finish. We have done. So let's check whether does it works or not. So in order to make sure, come on start button and press on it. As you can see here, sign in button, press on it. Then I'm going to log to check whether does it works or not. As you can see, I can log in without entering any kind of password. Dear viewers, hope you have been benefited by watching this video. If yes, then please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another topic. Till then, stay positive. Assalamu alaikum.